also gonna shout together on the train.
This is such a vibe, man. Look at this. Hey, you can come and ooh, let the spider cry. You wanna watch me, huh? Imagine. It's like I can literally just lay here.
Abby, what if I just get like a little bed here and I sleep on it? It's a barn.
Wait, do we sleep here?
Yeah.
On the training camp. This is nice. Well, you can have a nice village.
Yeah.
I'm gonna literally lay here in like a black outfit and then I need a photo of me in this bathtub. I need a photo of me on the blue toilet. I need a photo of me like... Please, nobody fall down the stairs.
Yeah, it's very steep as you go down.
Yeah, someone has to...
I'm all the way in the back though. This is my room. It's not so great.
Isa's room is nice. You've got chairs with our bottles.
Damn, I gotta share a bed with Abby.
It's okay. No, I'm kidding. Okay.
So we just finished having dinner. We sat around the fire, played some pool. Now we're going to bed. Tomorrow morning we need to be up at 8. Start cleaning because this house is the house where we're gonna have the kickboxing fitness camp in I think 2 weeks. I'm not completely sure, but there's a lot of work to be done. We're gonna try and do it all tomorrow, and if we finish early then we can just relax. But this house is freaking amazing. I'll try and get some better footage tomorrow, but it's huge. I love it. So I might still watch a movie, not sure, probably just go to bed, but I will see you tomorrow morning. Cleaning. We literally spent the whole day today just cleaning this house. We did have dinner. Dinner was impeccable. It was incredible. I've never had food this good before, so that kind of made up for all the work that we did. I'm gonna have coffee, watch a movie, and then go to sleep, because tomorrow there's more cleaning that we have to do, but not as much as we had to do today. And then we're gonna go to the beach. I really want to show you guys that. I want to get some drone footage as well, because the beach here it's insane. The water temperature, the water color, the location, everything is beautiful. I can't wait to get the drone up and show you and get some really good shots. What else? Tomorrow is also our last day here, so we will be going home tomorrow. But I'm extremely tired, man. I just want to go sleep. Okay, let me give you a room tour real quickly, because I don't think I've done like a proper full room tour. It's not much, but I'll show you anyway. So we've got the one couch here, 2 chairs, I guess, or couches, whatever you want to call it. I actually still want to sit on these. I haven't sat on any of these and they look extremely comfortable. We've got the door, obviously. We've got a cupboard for clothes. I mean, we've got another 2 chairs, but these chairs have no like thing to sit on. It's just completely empty. We have the bed, a mosquito net, which I love. Little whatever that is. There's windows here, and then this little table that I just put all my stuff on, and another chair. So yeah, that's the whole room. Second time-lapse location. We're gonna do a moving time-lapse. We just finished packing up. I'm doing a time-lapse, which I think just finished. Yeah, it's finished. Finish packing up now and then we're heading home. I got the 24-70 on, that's why it's so zoomed in. Because this camera is also crop censored, so it zooms in if I put this lens on. Other lenses are packed away. Anyway, got some drone shots, packing up everything, and then we'll just leave in the next few minutes. And on our way home. Look at this place. So nice. Might be coming back here. It's not sure yet. Maybe. But maybe not.